Hey guys, Randy from BellissiMoto here with a ridiculously cool, very custom, factory-built 1 of 1 Thornton 100. This is an insane Triumph. This is a Triumph Bonneville bobber that has just been fully customized by the guys at Thornton 100. Now, that being said, these bikes are not cheap. I mean, the Triumph Bobber starts off, I think he bought it for like $9,000 was his negotiated price on the bike. However, the kit, the build, the work, I think it was right around $27,000 when he was done. And what can I say? It's totally worth it. I just took this bike for a short ride and I said, hold on, let me get my helmet with the camera. I am doing a ride review video on this because it's fun. Not only is it fun, it sounds super, super good. I mean, like those pipes, those beautiful, crazy, twisty, curvy, gnarly, snarly exhaust pipes. Oh my God, I can't wait until you hear them with me. This is really cool. Check it out. We've got a Rotobox Bullet rear wheel on the front. This Bonneville Bobber Custom has a 180/55 front tire. It's insane. EBC wave rotors, Brembo upgraded calipers. Yeah, you can see they've added some special adapters just to make those work. Gotta have some real stopping power on a bike like this. Matris fork cartridges, top of the line. I've got those on multiple bikes. What else do we have here? I mean, again, there's that crazy cool exhaust. We've got an upgraded seat, upgraded mirrors, upgraded turn signals, chains, sprockets, RNG, crash bobbins. This is a very cool bike, and it's time to ride it. So, guys, ladies, gentlemen, yes, I am not a proper example. Do not follow my lead when it comes to riding gear today. This is impromptu. I did not plan on taking this ride. Keys were tossed to me, and this is what's happening. Very cool. Look at my leg hair. I'm a quote old crazy Joe. I got hairy legs. That exhaust is wild. Will it melt the bottom of my shoe? Maybe. I certainly feel it. Let's find out. This is gonna be fun. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we are. A ride review. A Randy's ride review. Ooh, yeah. Sound is great. Torque is awesome. Handling, so far so good, despite that giant tire up front. I mean, the wheel, that carbon fiber front wheel, that's going to help it cut weight. But that tire, that 180/55 front tire, that's going to add a lot of weight. That's, I don't know specifically how much of a difference in terms of pounds a rear wheel is over a front wheel, but I'm betting it's at least 4, maybe 5 pounds. You know, if I'm wrong, what could it be? 3 pounds heavier? No matter what, you're definitely adding some weight. So, this bike, no need to rush here, this bike sounds so good. Oh yeah. On the throttle, awesome. Off the throttle, awesome. Nice mannerisms, amazing sound. All right, rear view mirrors. Yeah, I mean they work, but you have to lift your arm and hand just to use them. And with that amount of time, you're not really focused on what's in front of you, and that's not the best. So, it is what it is. It's got style points, that's for sure. But if you're going for function, that is not a high functionality position. Now, scooching over here. That's a wild sign. Yeah. Okay. No need to discuss that. Anyhow, let's come back to motorcycles. Jesus. Alright, let's rate this bike in a few categories. Motor, overall engine, power, handling, torque. That was second gear, and that was nice. Well, going into third, again, do it again. Oh yeah. Motor feels great. I have to be honest, this bike, it's not a super bike. It's not meant to go 200 miles per hour. It's meant to be fun, torquey, engaging. It is all of that. And a bag of chips, why not? But no, really, it is fun. No complaints on the motor. Could it be more? Yeah, sure. We'll give it a 8.5 out of 10 on the engine. How should we review this next? Handling. Well, could it be better? Yeah, I'm sure a standard front tire would help when it comes to handling, but it's still really, really good. The ergos, the comfort, it all works together. And the handling in general, woohoo! For what this bike is supposed to be, I think it's really comfortable. I think it handles really nicely. I mean, you know, woo, woo. Let's have some fun. It'll scrape the pegs. So, I think it handles really well. We'll give it another, 8.5. Okay, 8.5. I was tempted to say 9, but we'll give it that 8.5. Brakes, 8.5. Again, could be better. Probably, rear brakes, great. Front could be better just if it didn't have a heavier tire to stop. So that's the only reason I would cut anything away from the front brakes. Suspension feels great. Every one of these bumps for a low seat with me and my weight, I weigh probably 30 pounds more than the customer who dropped it off. I'm significantly taller. Let me tell you, let me hit some bumps. Okay, let me hit some more. Not bad. I mean, you can see it through my helmet, I'm sure. Through the film, there's going to be some vibration. But there's no jarring shock. There's no pain. There's no like, oh, my spine, nothing like that. So, all in all, it's pretty comfortable. Ergonomics are good. I'm 6'1". I feel like I could be even bigger. I could be smaller. And there's really no issue. So, ergonomics, I'd give it a 9. Comfort, 9. Handling, 8.5. Motor, 8.5. Brakes, 8.5. This bike is super cool. Looks, I'd give it we'll go 9.5. Very, very cool. Very nice looking machine. Sound is a 10. Maybe an 11. I mean, it's as good as could be. I'm impressed. This, all in all, 10s don't exist. This bike's a 9. It's very cool. Very nice. Custom gas cap. Custom triples. Factory switchgear, I kind of wish they would have swapped that out because then you could use better master cylinders and better clutch perch and lever. But all in all, I have no complaints. This bike is super cool, super fun to ride. Well, alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps. And also, make sure to shop at BellissiMoto and 2-Wheel HQ. That's really what we're doing this for. I'm not here for the clicks. YouTube doesn't send me a check. I'm here to put all this cool, fun, two-wheeled stuff on the record, into the digital history book so it can be saved and stored for years to come. Let's go ahead and turn this thing off. If you're ever wondering what it's like to ride a Thornton 100 Triumph Bonneville bobber with those crazy cool wheels, well, listen to this video and now you'll know.